day before yesterday, I had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam to again informally discuss on the very important border issue, the boundary issue that we have with Assam. MLAs from political parties who had accompanied me, and they had accompanied primarily to wish the new Chief Minister of Assam and also to express their concerns about different issues, including the boundary issue. So after a brief meeting with them, and after they left the room, the Honorable Assam Chief Minister and myself had a one-to-one meeting for approximately 45 minutes. And in that meeting, we have gone through all the areas of differences and discussed many points in that, which, of course, as I said, I don't feel appropriate. I should mention all those details at this point. But what we have decided now is that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be coming to Shillong on 23rd. That is one day before the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India. And we will be having a brief meeting in the Secretariat or any place that is acceptable to both sides. And we'll be having a discussion at a more official level this time. In the meeting, Chief Secretary of Assam and the Additional Chief Secretary or Principal Chief Secretary Home will be present. And from Meghalaya's side, Chief Secretary and the Additional Chief Secretary Political will be present. We may have some exchange of presentations and discussions and details. And post that, we will be having an official meeting in Guwahati in the next week. So in that, we will be going with our full team, which, as I said, the dates have not been fixed. The date for that will be most probably fixed on 23rd of this month when Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji comes to Shillong for the visit of the Home Minister. But during that visit, one day in advance, he will come and, as I said, have a discussion with me and with our senior most officials in the state government to discuss further details at an official level this time on the boundary issue. Beyond that, also, a lot of discussions did take place on how we plan to move forward in this. But as I said, it's not the appropriate time to discuss and divulge those points. But we had a very positive meeting. And again, as I mentioned last time also, that we have been discussing this for a very, very long time. And both the sides are keen that we are able to amicably resolve this issue and find a solution that is acceptable. So therefore, we're working on that. I again mentioned that it's not a very, very simple and easy affair, but we are very committed to this, and we will work and try our best to find a solution to the boundary issue. Thank you.